Our G12 series value-packed ratchet wrench combo toolkit comes with 2 cordless ratchet wrenches. ARW1209 is 3/8 inches, 45 feet-pounds, 170 RPM, and ARW1207 is 1/4 inches, 30 feet-pounds, 240 RPM, 2 powerful interchangeable 12 volts Li-ion batteries, a fast charger, and a carry-on canvas bag. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact design. R2 lightweight, powerful 30 feet-pounds and 45 feet-pounds. Torque ratchet wrenches are engineered with high-quality materials for fast and easy removal work. Equipped with 1/4 inches and 3/8 inches alloy steel compact heads and built-in LED light, great for work in tight and dark spaces, making both the perfect tools for construction, auto, and even home repair work. Number 2. Versatile. Unlike other brands that offer tools with singular features, our ratchet wrenches respectively feature a powerful 170 and 240 RPM that enables users to utilize to cover a wide range of different tasks. Number 3. User-friendly. Ergonomic soft grip design provides comfort for long working hours and a secure grip for maximum control and steadiness. Slim body design molded to securely fit and balance hand torque up to 100 feet-pounds, which enables users to use the power tool with a safe peace of mind. Number 4. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. For over 35 years we have been manufacturing and providing the best products and services to our customers at the lowest prices possible. We are confident that you will love our ratchet wrench combo toolkit, that we will stand behind our product with a replacement or your money back. Every purchase comes with a manufacturer's limited 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.